In the world of flagship smartphones, two titans are vying for supremacy: the Oppo Find X9 Ultra and the vivo X300 Ultra. With jaw-dropping camera capabilities, powerful chipsets, and stunning displays, these devices promise to redefine mobile photography and performance. But which one truly stands out? Are you ready to dive into the details of their camera prowess, performance benchmarks, display technology, and battery life? And the burning question remains: which of these smartphones will reign supreme in your pocket? When it comes to camera capabilities, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra takes the lead with its remarkable 200MP main camera featuring Hasselblad ultra-sensing technology and a 10x optical zoom periscope telephoto lens. This setup not only captures stunning detail but also offers exceptional color calibration, ensuring your photos are vibrant and lifelike. On the other hand, the vivo X300 Ultra also boasts a formidable 200MP lens but enhances your experience with Zeiss optics and advanced gimbal-level stabilization, making it a close contender for photography enthusiasts. Which camera will elevate your photography game? Both smartphones feature impressive 50MP selfie cameras, but the Oppo Find X9 Ultra's lens is designed with PDF, ensuring sharper and more focused selfies. Meanwhile, the vivo X300 Ultra offers a slightly different aperture with its f/2.5 lens, providing excellent performance in various lighting conditions. In the battle of selfies, which one will capture your best angle? Under the hood, both devices are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, delivering blazing fast performance. However, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra boasts a slightly higher AnTuTu score of 4,010,000, indicating superior overall performance compared to the vivo X300 Ultra's 3,500,000. This difference in performance might just tip the scales for power users looking for speed and efficiency. Are you ready to unleash the full potential of your smartphone? The display is where these two giants shine, with both featuring a stunning 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED panel. However, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra stands out with its impressive 144Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 3600 nits, providing an ultra-smooth and vibrant viewing experience. The vivo X300 Ultra, while also impressive, offers a slightly lower 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness, making the Oppo the clear winner for those who crave a top-tier display. Which screen will captivate your senses? In terms of additional features, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra impresses with its Hasselblad professional imaging kit, elevating your photography to professional levels. Meanwhile, the vivo X300 Ultra showcases its collaboration with Zeiss optics, providing gimbal-level stabilization for smooth video capture. Both devices bring unique features to the table, but which one aligns better with your creative needs? Battery life is crucial, and the Oppo Find X9 Ultra leads with a massive 7050 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. The vivo X300 Ultra, while still robust with its 6600 mAh battery, may not quite match the endurance of its competitor. With heavy usage, will the Oppo be your reliable companion? So, after diving deep into the specs and features of the Oppo Find X9 Ultra and vivo X300 Ultra, which smartphone will you choose to elevate your mobile experience? Will it be the powerhouse with unparalleled camera capabilities and display technology, or the sleek alternative that offers unique features and solid performance? The choice is yours, but remember, the future of your smartphone experience is just a decision away.